So if you are like a president of some sort and you have your guard and you want to put him to sleep, you put him right here. Or when you want to get rid of your wife, you put her here and you sleep there. Pakistan actually has beautiful, up-to-date and modern hotels, the same as you would find in the West, and even cheaper. Let me introduce you to the presidential room, presidential suite in the Vista Villa. Open your eyes. Alright guys, good evening. In Islamabad, I've just arrived to my hotel, the Vista Villa Hotel. A very nice hotel which I stayed once before here, and I've actually already made a room tour from this hotel in a different video. But right now, it's the second time I'm coming back to the same hotel, a very nice hotel. It's in the blue area of Islamabad, an expensive area, a nice area. And quite some of other travel vloggers are also staying in this place. Let me correct myself, have stayed here before.
Foreigners love this hotel.
Yeah, foreigners love this hotel. Let me just show you the building from the outside. All right, let's go then. Let's go. This is the hotel. Good evening, sir. Hello, hello, hello. How are you? Remember me?
Yes.
From last time?
Yeah, how are you, sir?
Hi, how are you? So I have a booking ready.
So let me check. Sir, can you tell me your booking name, please?
Yes, please.
Yes, sir, you have reservation. So we need your passport and visa letter also.
Yes, I will give it to you.
Okay.
Hold on a second. And we have a booking for a superior room, right?
Yeah, sir. Can you visit first your room?
Yeah, I will visit the room. Just
Thank
this
you
is the
so much,
passport.
sir. So you can visit first.
Okay, give me just the keys.
Yes,
Don't
sure,
mind.
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay. Take it from me. All right. Which number is it?
Yes, sir. Room number 201. This
201. Right here. Yeah.
Right.
Okay. Amazing. Right here. 2001. 201. 201. I have already a jet lag. All right. Beautiful. Let's put on the lights. Very nice. Okay, let's make a little room tour. Close the doors. Hello, 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 hello. So this is our room. It's a superior room. Actually, we got a special deal this time for a superior room. We are paying just around 23,000 rupees for a night, including tax, which isn't that cheap, but it's still a fair price for for a room like that. We are talking at around $80, something like that, USD. So yeah, this is the bed. Beautiful king size bed. As you can see, they have some nice chairs here. They have a mini bar. We have a kettle, some crisps, some nice Haribo candy. We have a nice fridge here with some drinks and chocolates and stuff. A nice big TV, as usual. A table where we can edit videos if we need. And this is the wardrobe. Empty, of course, for now. Let's see if there's a light here too. Yeah. I think I know you from somewhere, man. Here's the bathroom, guys. So the bathroom or the shower room, whichever you want to call it. This is the shower. Very beautiful and clean, as you can see. Nice clean toilets, nice clean bath, shower. You have a nice sink here, a nice sink. Everything you need, from shampoos to toothpaste to towels, neat and nice. This is, by all means, a nice welcome and a nice hotel, I would say. A westernized hotel right here in Islamabad, in Pakistan. So, I'm gonna go back to the reception now because I have to finish my business there. And we'll see you later. Oh, by the way, I have to show you the lobby here. It's really beautiful. Look at the photos they have here. These beautiful vases and the flowers and the art. Very, very nice. I love these floors, by the way. Look how nice they are. And this is, the corridor to other rooms. Really nice. Really, really fancy, as you see here. By the way, they also have different rooms, not only a superior room that we have, they have standard rooms, they have suite rooms, presidential suite rooms, which are really, really very, very upgraded rooms and nice rooms. They'll even have also, as I understood, like apartment rooms where you get a full kitchen inside. And of course, they have a restaurant down there. And they also have a nice rooftop, which I'll show you a little bit later. This is the corridor that takes you right into the restaurant and show you how it looks like. This is the hall where you would get the food. Really, really nice. As you can see here, they have like a buffet in the mornings. It's a very unique, I would call it like a boutique hotel because it's very unique. It's small, but it's clean and nice and very, very modern. Yeah. And let me show you their toilets. This is their public toilet here. Look how beautiful it is. Look at these golden sinks. Unbelievably beautiful. And the toilet doors are even full of celebrities. And the toilets themselves are really nice. Guys, these are public toilets, not in the room. Absolutely gorgeous. Let me introduce you to the presidential room, presidential suite in the Vista Villa. Open your eyes. Whoa, 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 whoa. That is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Look at that TV. A humongous TV. Tell me this is not gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. What a table. Maybe Donald Trump should be here. He likes gold. He doesn't maybe like the black colors, but it's absolutely rich. How do we open the lights in here? Let's see the bathroom, the toilet. There we go. Oh yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Nice. I expected in the bathroom something more, actually, for such a room, but it's nice. Still nice. Very big room. Wow. So spacious and beautiful. What's there?
There is another room.
Another room.
Yes, that's small.
All right. Oh. So there is a full kitchen here. Wow. How nice. Microwave, a fridge, a gas, full kitchen, cabinets. Amazing, amazing. Wow. Really pretty. And here is another room. Oh, another bedroom. Nice. So if you are like a president or some sort and you have your guard and you want to put him to sleep, you put him right here. Or when you want to get rid of your wife, you put her here and you sleep there.
Usually it is the other way around.
The other way around, yeah. Okay, it's really nice, really, really nice. Surat hai. Very, very nice. All right, the next room we are going to see will be the Gotham suite, which is more like an apartment with a full kitchen, but nothing like a presidential suite. All right, so this is the Gotham suite. Let's go. Hello. All right, guys, so today we got the Gotham suite room, a special beautiful room, and we got a special deal because this is an expensive room, believe it or not. Let me show you, let me make you a little room tour. So this is the bedroom, as you can see right here. Beautiful king-size bed. We have here, right here, a table where I sit and do my editing for you. What do you think? It's constant work, guys. Look at this beautiful sofa right here, this beautiful table. I can actually arrange some nice meetings in here if I want. There's another sofa right here. And let me show you, this is the closet, the wardrobe. Very nice. And our luggage is here. We have a special kitchen here, right here. Microwave, everything. The gas, of course the minibar as always, and fridge with snacks and stuff. Here we have the bathroom. Let me do some light. Yeah, this is the bathroom. Very, very nice. What a shower. Look at that shower. How nice is that? How nice is that shower? You tell me. Beautiful sink. Clean and nice toilet. Oh yeah. That's what we call Villa Vista Hotel in Islamabad. Guys, I highly recommend this hotel. Not just because I have enjoyed it, but really, truly speaking, I've been to many hotels around here. Even those who are very luxurious, so-called, and very expensive, like the PC Hotel, like the Serena, whatever it's called. Guys, those hotels are already old and worn out. They charge the double amount that they would charge you here. And here it's beautiful, neat, nice, and clean. And you can afford it, if you can. I mean, you try your best. And this specific Gotham suite room, which is a beautiful suite room, as you see, I got specifically today because they had no room on the other regular, standard, or premium rooms. So, yeah, but I got a very good price for this room, I should mention. And the price I got was around, I think, 35,000 rupees, including tax, which is an amazing price for such a room. It's around 100 and something pounds. And by the way, if you want to know how much is a presidential suite for a night, about 80,000 rupees, right?
Yes.
Not including tax, or with plus tax?
Including tax.
Sorry?
Total making 92 including tax.
90,000 rupees including tax, which is how much? Let's see. Let's check out how much it is.
In dollars?
In dollars, yeah, in dollars. 90,000 will be $322 as of today. And this, the Gotham?
46,000.
46,000. 46,000.
46,000.
46,000 will be almost $200. Plus tax will be around $200. All right, guys, if you got the money, you come here. By the way, I should just mention, this is not a paid promotion whatsoever. I don't get one single penny out of it, and I don't have any benefit from it. The reason why I showed you this is because I wanted to show you how Pakistan actually has beautiful, up-to-date and modern hotels, the same as you would find in the West, and even cheaper.